This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by verifying power and HDMI on the Chromecast, plug it directly into the TV and a stable power adapter. Once done, open the Google Home app and tap the device card. This lets you access device settings quickly. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi name and password written down because a reset will require reconfiguration. If you prefer a hardware reset, locate the button on the dongle. Otherwise, proceed in the app to the next step to factory reset. You now perform the actual reset. In Google Home, go to Device Settings, choose Factory Reset and confirm. The device will reboot and erase settings. If doing a hardware reset, press and hold the Chromecast button for about 25 seconds until the LED pulses, then release. This triggers the same factory action. Once initiated, watch for LED changes and on-screen prompts on your TV that indicate progress. After the reboot finishes, the Chromecast will be ready to set up again. You finish by reconfiguring the Chromecast in the Google Home app. Follow pairing prompts, select your Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account. Make sure to name the device and test casting. If connection fails, reboot your router and try the opposite Wi-Fi band. Some Chromecasts prefer 4 GHz. If problems persist, try a different power adapter and cable, or repeat the factory reset. One key tip: check for a firmware update after setup to prevent recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.